morning vlog. It's day 13.
But you hide in the bed. You'll take it back. But you hide in the bed. You'll take it.
Okay, hi folks. We're gonna do the apartment tour today, but there are men outside working on my house again, which is annoying, and they're being loud, so I just didn't want to start and then get frustrated. But I have everything ready, so I'm gonna do it tomorrow. I know I can keep my house clean until tomorrow, and that way I can just like wake up and knock it out first thing in the morning. But now I'm gonna pull out these hard drives you saw me get and start like taking stuff off of my computer. This is gonna feel really nice to do, just to start completely fresh, like to wipe my computer. I just put up a poll on Instagram on Language Intimate. I haven't spoken about this, but I've been needing to. For some reason, I just got in my head that I didn't know if I liked the zine format, like the e-zine. And I am happy for like getting the website launched and like just getting it going at least a little bit. Like taking the first step is always the hardest part, and I definitely feel like I kind of failed on the monthly zine. Yeah, I kind of got in my head, I think, a little bit, and then you know, it just happens. Being creative is hard, and it's not easy to be consistent with, especially from the perspective that I just really don't feel I feel like I'm an entrepreneur. I feel like I'm an artist. I'm a creative person, but I don't feel like I'm a business person almost at all. Like in my brain, like I don't think about business that much, see things from a lens of a business perspective. Maybe some of that is just my problem and like my own inability to like market myself and like show up for myself. That's definitely exist in there, but at the same time I just don't like it as a system of like things have to be done a certain way. I really just don't resonate with that. Though I do like want to be a more consistent person, obviously. I think I am in some ways, in other ways not. I think I could do it in a better way. And I'm not trying to be a perfectionist about it, but I just think there's some tweaking that could happen that would help the growth of it. So that's what I'm kind of trying to like by the new year, kind of like have a better concrete idea and plan. I'm gonna go through my closet and like rearrange it and pull some stuff, just so it also looks nice for the video tomorrow. Because we're fronting that my things look nice. I watched my old apartment tour. It's really funny how you can see things with fresh eyes. Apartment tour from New York. And I was like, holy shit. I know the chaos that was behind that tour. Like I was so stressed and so behind on moving, and I just like could not get it together to like make that place look better. And it was cute in some ways, but it was also just like so thrown together in other ways. And I was watching it and I was like, oy vey. Yeah. But that's a topic I've been thinking about a lot recently, is at some points in my life, like I'll look back at my younger self and I'll realize that I was really good at one thing. Like I was doing something really good at a certain time, but maybe I was dropping the ball in a different area that I now know better. Like I know a better way to do it now, and I do it differently now. But then I'll look at myself now and be like, and compare myself to my older self and be like, oh, but now I'm not doing some of the good things that I used to do. Like I kind of feel like it's like a seesaw going up and down as you like put your attention in different places in life. And like as you're learning new things, like sometimes other old lessons like fall to the wayside. I don't know, I think it's kind of cute to see that. I'm like, yeah, you were doing some things good, but also like you did not have your shit together in so many ways. And I'm sure I'll feel the exact same way about myself now in a couple years, you know? But that's a beautiful thing. This is so satisfying to me, to have an empty downloads. It almost never happens. And downloads is like where the chaos is. And I keep everything there.
Make this a place that's never going to go back to being a jumbled, horrible mess again. So, you do little things, like get a nice...
Okay, I'm gonna pull out clothing from my closet. And while I do that, I think I'm gonna do just more run-throughs, like pulling out items that I don't think I'm gonna wear, adding that to my Depop pile. So it's kind of killing two birds with one stone to make my closet look nice again. And it is getting dark in here because the sun sets so early, so I'm sorry. Definitely from a sustainability standpoint, it's so good to pull your clothes out of your closet every once in a while and just like look at everything. Because I'm doing that with my jackets and I'm like, holy shit, I have so many different jackets that I love, like a lot, like all of them. And I'm like, oh, they're all great jackets. But I kind of forget to wear them because I get like fixated on one jacket. My fun pants stack. I can't get rid of these yet. I still think they have life for me.
First and foremost, from your relationship with...
Okay, good morning. I was really wanting to skip a walk today because I have a lot to do. But I know that my brain will just be more on. I'll just be in a better mood to get all the other stuff done if I just go on the walk. So we're gonna go and we're just gonna power walk. We're gonna book it. I've not been getting outside as much as I should now that it's winter and there's just, the days are so short and I just have been cozying, snuggling in, but my walks are what have kept me sane the last year. Okay, just finished filming an apartment tour. I'm now making a list really quickly for what I want to ask for in my new apartment, like anything that comes to mind, or making sure like any questions I have for him, because I'm going to meet at the new spot to like go over the property and like agree on what needs to be fixed before I move in, which is always a good thing to do. Usually you should do before you sign the lease, but I don't know, I think it's okay. Because we kind of already did like go over what needed to be fixed and whatever, it's fine. Okay, it went really well. I'm so excited to move in. It was really nice to like see the place again, not like in a frantic way. And now I just got these new glasses from Bonnie and Clyde and they're so cute. I feel so smart. They also sent me these. Just so nice. Honestly, literally, it's so nice. Now I'm gonna write down all the things I need to sell because I think that's my next step. Now that apartment tour is done, I just have to get some B-roll tomorrow, and then after that I can start selling things. Gotta make a list of everything because I also took some measurements while I was there, and that's gonna be helpful so I can tell what's gonna fit where and what cannot come. And unfortunately this table can't come. So if you want this table, if you live in LA, it's still gonna be kind of expensive, but I would cut you a deal. Okay, Miss Vlog. Today got tiring. Filmed the apartment tour, it looks good. Came out pretty good, I think, first try. And I reviewed the footage for a while and started to edit, but then I realized that that's not what I need to edit yet. Priorities. Yeah, what did I do? I edited and then I was gonna go to the ceramics studio again. Then I got sucked into some friend drama on FaceTime hearing about their lives, which I have literally the most minimal amount of drama in my personal life, I think, probably ever. And by drama, I just mean like no relationships, no, there's just nothing that's causing me stress outside of work. Work is causing me stress. You guys aren't causing me stress. It's just the concept of job. The concept of job is making me stressed. But who's not being stressed out by their work? That was today. It was pretty good. I finally went and picked up medication that I needed to grab. Pretty nice day overall. I'm gonna watch the new episode of Survivor and I'm gonna go to sleep. Tomorrow I have 2 branded videos that I need to make, both short form, so I think I'm gonna knock them out back to back. Should be doable because they're both due tomorrow, like time crunch before the holidays. Illy, sorry I have the zit cream melt. I'm not apologizing for that. I'm not apologizing for the zit cream. Okay, it's the 14th. I have had such a crazy day this morning. I just cut myself with my necklace as I was putting a shirt on. It like dug into my face. So that's good. But I did get a lot of work done this morning. And I'm happy with both of how they came out. So that's exciting. And then my friend is coming to pick me up. Kelsey's coming to grab me. And we're gonna go play basketball at her gym. And I'm really excited. I grew up playing basketball. And I don't get to play that much, but we've played once before at her gym. And it's fun to go. It's fun to get out there. Then I'll probably just work tonight. I'm not really sure yet, but I'll film some clips of me.
Downtown. I don't know. I didn't make plans tonight.
We're all
Do you work tonight?
We're all planless. I'm off. I need a big old bow for my head.
Based in the palm of your hand, like-minded but too slow-minded. Never mind what they said.
I was on the phone on FaceTime with a friend and then I heard a loud crash outside and this car ran into another car that was parked just on the side of the road. And it was really sweet, like immediately, like there's kind of a squad of neighbors around me. I love them. And they're all mostly older people that are all really nice. And within seconds, they were jumped up, hopped out there. There's like 6 of them. People are, older women coming out with flashlights, like just so quick to the scene. All of them coming from, like, I see them coming from their different respective houses and apartments, and it's always like the same crew. They're kind of like neighborhood watchy in like the sweetest way. It made me sad to leave. It was really cute. Everyone looks like they're okay. They were hot on the jump. By the time I heard the crash, I look out my window and there's already like at least 3, and then within seconds they're just beeline straight out there to go see what's up and help out and figure it out. And I just thought that was so nice. Saturday night, I did not feel like doing anything. I feel like the last 2 weekends were really busy for me, and this weekend I just wanted to hang out and get caught up on stuff and chill and not be tired. And even though I had a pretty lazy day today, I think I am gonna go see Poema tomorrow and go to the beach because she lives over there, so that should be fun. Very chill day. I just thought that was a sweet little story, but hopefully you enjoyed these past few days. I'll see you all in the next one.